As a car dealer in India, you are spending anywhere from 30,000 to 50,000 rupees per showroom every single month. That's Google ads, Meta ads, buying leads from CarDekho, CarWale. Do the math. Across a small network, that is nearly 25 lakhs rupees a year. But where do those leads actually go? They don't hit your DMS directly, not yet. They sit in the qualification zone. Your team manages them on Excel sheets or Google Docs, and that is where the money burns. While your team is busy with follow-ups, those leads just leak away. Every hour a lead sits in a spreadsheet, your conversion chance drops. By the time that number finally hits your WhatsApp group or the OEM system, that customer has already moved on, likely to your co-dealer, or worse, a different brand. Stop the bleeding with Capture by AUTOSherpa. Think of this as the intelligent bridge between your marketing wallet and your sales team. Capture connects directly to Google and Facebook. No manual entry, no delay. And it's not just for digital. Roadshows, field marketing, walk-ins, your front desk digitizes them instantly on the app. It is a single central repository for every opportunity. And the best part, we don't replace your OEM sales CRM. We feed it. We are the pre-qualification layer. We make sure only verified leads reach your DMS. This keeps your data clean and your OEM happy. You're already investing lakhs in ads. For a fraction of that cost, starting at just 20,000 rupees, Capture plugs the leaks. We're talking about an ROI of 300 to 500% in 6 months just by catching the business you're currently losing. Don't let your budget die in a spreadsheet. Download Capture by AUTOSherpa today.